It's time to budget for June. Hi, and welcome back. I'm Kamika, and this is Well Balanced Wallet, where I help you create healthy money habits and live a life that you love on your current budget. Today, we are going to budget for June, and I know it's been a minute since I have been on here, so let's catch up a little bit first. So in April, my brother got married in Las Vegas, so we took a trip to Vegas. We were there for 6 days. And we got to do everything that we went there to do. We had a great time. We visited Omega Mart, which is an interactive museum. We visited multiple hotels. We gambled in every hotel that we went in. I went to see Magic Mike with my sister-in-law and all the ladies that were there. And Care went to see a comedy show with my brother and all of the men that were there. And we just had a good time. We had a really good time. So for the trip, we spent a lot of money. The flights were expensive, and once we got to Vegas, everything there was expensive as well, but we planned for everything. We had enough money. We paid cash for the whole trip. We don't have any debt from going on this trip. Kara and I both had, I think it was like $170 each in cash that we could use to gamble or buy whatever it was that we wanted to buy while we were there. And it was fun. I ended up using half of my money to gamble, and I think I won like $40. And I'm not sure how much money Care used to gamble, but he did win like $160, I think. But we both ended up basically losing the money that we won as well. We did both come back with some of our cash too, so that was good. What else? While we were in Vegas, our toilet at home ran for the entire time. So we were gone for 6 days. The toilet, I guess one of us used the bathroom before we left, and the toilet ran after that and did not stop. So it ran continuously for 6 days, 6 whole days. And once we got back, we had a water bill of, I think it was $218. We usually pay $50 for water. So that was something. What else? I still haven't heard anything from my medical bills, so I'm not sure if I get any bills from this surgery or if everything was taken care of, because I did have 2 different insurance plans during that time. So still waiting on that. I'm not one to call the doctor's office to see if I have a bill, because I feel like I don't want to chase down bills. I've received bills from the doctor's office before, so they have my address and my information correct. So I'm just waiting, and once I find out anything, I will let you guys know. Is there anything else? No, I can't think of anything else. So let's jump into the budget for June. Okay, so zeroing out the next month category. And like I've been doing the last couple times, I'm just going to select these bills here and, well, unselect those and auto assign them. All right, and then I just need to double check. So we're gonna need more here for internet. Electricity should be good. Gas should be good. Like I mentioned, the water bill was $218 and some change. So I need to put $219 here, I guess. Yeah, that's good. Car insurance. What did we pay last month? Okay, car insurance should be good. Life insurance, good. Gym, we need to add more here because Care got a gym membership. I probably need to change this target too so it can auto assign normally, but that's fine. And Apple Music is good. All right, so for mortgage, we are going to do, what is the total that we end up doing? $1,576.91. Yeah, because our mortgage is $325 and then we pay extra up to $1,576.91. Okay, and then home maintenance and repairs, I fund this one throughout the month. So in order to reach my target of having $5,000 by August of 2023, I need to put $913 here in June. But I'm not going to do that. I usually fund it every time we get paid, and I usually put, I think, like $145, sometimes $160 every week when we get paid, because Kara and I get paid on opposite weeks, so we essentially get paid every week. So that's how this category gets funded. So that's good. June has 4 weeks, so we need $400 for groceries. Restaurants, we're gonna do $150. Okay, spending money. Let me ask Siri. Oh no, my iPad is dead. I can use my phone. Hold please. On my phone I have to type it in. So random number between 25 and 80. And the answer is 64. So we each get $64. All right, now let's see. We have $360 left, and we have a few categories that we haven't gotten to yet, and the reason is because of that water bill. So let's see what we're gonna do. Let's start by doing half on these categories. So the 50 here, 100 here, and then 25 here. All right, and then we have 185.97 left. We need to do personal care, which is 50. We do the Christmas account, which is, I think, $20 every week. Yeah, and then we usually do this one pretty faithfully, so we'll do 80 there. And we have $55.97 left. I think what I'm gonna do is do 25 more for entertainment, because I'm not sure what we have coming up in June. And then I'll do 25 more for household goods, because we always have to buy little things for the house throughout the month. And I have $5.97 left, and I'll just put that in medical. And I think we're gonna call that good. So as you can see, sometimes our budget doesn't stretch as far as it usually does because things come up. And one thing that I could have done, instead of paying the full $218 from our $3,600 that we use every month, I could have taken some from this home maintenance and repairs category, and then I would have the $218 still available to fill in the rest of these categories. But in my brain right now, it's the same difference. I would still be missing $218 that we don't usually spend, so it's fine for us to take it from that $3,600. So as we start to get extra money towards the end of the month, once our next month category is filled, then I can come back down here and fill in some of these sinking funds that we didn't get to. But that's okay, our budget is still on track, all is well. We just have to roll with the punches and make it work. So this is what our June budget looks like. Let me know in the comments what things you have coming up for June, and also let me know what unexpected expenses have come up lately for you and how did you recover. That's all for this video. Be sure to give it a like, subscribe, and click the link on your screen right now for more Well Balanced Wallet content. See you there.